Okay, in this session, I'm going to show you the sample, the CBA exam. Most of these basically exams, the questions are based on BBOC and SDLC and Introduction to Business Analysis and some part from the requirement engineering. So if you go through this exam, you will basically have to refer all these books. A, the business analysis from British Computer Society. B, the BBOC from IIBA, that's the BBOC version number 3. And then C, the requirement engineering, that is IREB's main course. Okay, so these are the all the questions will come from all these books. Okay, so the reason basically using all three books for the course is basically making the student understand the different perspective of business analysis in the industry and strengthening their knowledge. And a good thing is that all these three books and the syllabus complement each other, so it's not redundant or not duplicated, and basically help you to understand. The business analysis book from British Computer Society help you understand a very strategic related the knowledge of business analysis, and it gives you a very conceptually, it will make you a very strong. And the business analysis, the body of knowledge will help you from the practical perspective and the processes that BA follows, and also the standards step by step. So that is very very important. And the that's a lot of theory actually in the BBOC. And the third book, the requirement engineering, basically will focus completely on the requirement engineering, and a lot of practical parts are there and very useful actually. That is very important, which we use it for teaching the data modeling, class diagram, process diagram, activity diagram, use cases, and so on and so forth. So that book is very important from the practical perspective. And the book also has additional details also, like a prioritization process in detail, how to write the requirement and the sentence structure, and so on and so forth. So you'll find many other informations are available in that. Okay, so now when I talk about the exam, if you see, the exam is very simple. It's like a 26 questions are there, and you can select any 25, and the passing marks are 18. You write your name, and your basically the question starts like a simple sample question. There may be a short description or the multiple choice options, like what are the knowledge areas business analyst require, so you can basically list them. What is the requirement, so you can basically select. So how does the BA identify problem and opportunity, so there could be some options here. In this case you can choose a multiple options as applicable. In the radio button you can choose only one. Okay, there is no negative marking. Whatever is you got it, so they all get accumulated. Okay, and what are the elements in impact in defining the problems or an opportunity? List 3, so you can basically list. In case if you list 2, then you will get marks accordingly. Okay, even half mark is also counted. And here it is, like for example, who could be the stakeholders, the sponsor, end user, regulator, all about. So you select the right exam, the answer. But in case if you select one of them, and then if it is wrong, then all the marks are gone. Okay, what is RACI stand for? What is a business case involves? Like these kind of questions will be there. Okay, so you'll have to basically, they could be as complicated as basically, and analyzing business may include business goal, product and services, organization structure and culture, and all of above. Like practical questions, data modeling relationship could be 0 to many, 1 to many, many to many, only one. So you can choose whichever is applicable. There one of them is not applicable, so you'll have to just be careful when you are selecting. Okay, and these are the various parameters are there. Okay, so this is how the questions will be there, and you will have to basically pass. Okay, and uh, the most important factor what I would like to say is remember, you can't have the what we call you can't